Hello friends. In this video, we'll talk about quarterly results of Tata Elxsi. As we can see, the expectations from revenue was 987 and company delivered revenue of 939. So there has been a miss in terms of revenue. EBIT expectations was 259 and it delivered EBIT of 220. So again, there is a miss in EBIT as well. EBIT margin of 26.3 was expected, whereas company delivered margin of 23.5. And finally, net profit expectation was 216, wherein company declared net profit of 199. So across different parameters, company has sort of not able to meet the expectations. And if we compare it with last year, then net profit was down by 3.6% and revenue was up by 2.7%. So we can say that results were pretty poor, and that is a reason why stock price also went down. And company stock is overall in pressure. Somewhere street is also anticipating that results will not be good, but they might not have expected that those would be this bad. If we talk about company's market cap, then market cap is 40,000 crores and have a P of 49. So Tata Elxsi has a P which is more than other big players operating in IT, that is TCS, Infosys, but still P is pretty high, and company will have to deliver a good profit growth in future in order to justify this P. If not, then we can expect stock price to be under pressure in coming quarters as well. Company does have good ROE, ROC numbers and has a dividend yield of more than 1%, which is pretty decent. If we talk about its valuations, then company stock is trading at a PE which is lower than its historical average, but we'll also have to see it in context of the profit growth. Till 2023, company's profit growth was pretty high, and then it sort of started tapering, and that is the reason why from 2022 stock price also is not performing well. If we talk about its growth rate, then last 5 year sales CAGR is 17% and profit CAGR is 22%. So earlier it used to have a very high growth. As we can see from 2013 to 14, profit almost got 4 times. Even before COVID also, company's profit growth was around 30-35%. But in last few quarters, there has been a moderation of growth. In fact, in current quarter, there has been a decrease. So these are the reasons why stock price also not doing well. Last 3 year CAGR is 2%. There was a time when this stock was a multi-bagger, but somewhere that has now not the case. Company stock is not doing well in recent few years. It is a good case in point for high P stock. As long as they do deliver good profit and sales growth, then stock price goes up along with its valuations. But even if there is a miss of 1 or 2 quarters, then we see that stock prices drop sharply. In Tata Elxsi's case also, we'll see it in technicals. Company hit a lifetime high of around 11,000 in 2023, but since then stock has not performed well. It is trying to take support near 6,000 level and has a resistance near 9,000 level, but looking at the result, it is very likely that stock price will come down to the support of around 5,900, and there is a possibility of it even breaking down. In that case, next level will be around 5,500. Uh, it's highly unlikely that stock will turn around from here. We'll have to see if some good commentary is provided by the management in coming few days, or there is an anticipation of good growth for this company. If company wins a deal, then only we can expect a turnaround. But looking at the results for Q3, it is likely that stock will continue to be under pressure in coming days as well. Remember, friends, this analysis is only for the educational purpose. Kindly do not consider it as a stock buy or sell recommendation. Kindly consult your investment advisors before taking a buy or sell decision. Thank you.